Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the cozy style debate, minimalist versus maximalist. Whether you love serene simplicity or being surrounded by treasures, there's a cozy style for you. We'll break down what makes each style unique, share inspiration, and help you discover which cozy vibe fits you best. So grab your favorite throw, get comfy, and let's find your unique cozy style together. Let's start with minimalism. Picture crisp white walls, clean lines, and just a few thoughtfully chosen pieces. Minimalism is about stripping away the unnecessary and focusing on what matters. Neutral palettes, natural materials, and open space create a calm, uncluttered environment. Every item has a purpose, and there's freedom in letting go of excess. If you're drawn to serene, sun-drenched rooms, you're already vibing with minimalism. It's about creating a peaceful, organized home that feels uniquely you. Now, let's flip the script and dive into the world of maximalism, a design style that's all about embracing abundance, personality, and joyful chaos. While minimalism asks us to pare back, maximalism encourages us to layer up, to fill our spaces with the things we love, and to let our creativity run wild. Maximalism is about more than just filling a room, it's about creating a vibrant tapestry of life. Picture rooms bursting with layered patterns, bold colors that pop, and a delightful mix of textures and treasures collected over time. Every surface becomes an opportunity for self-expression, and every object tells a story. In a maximalist home, each corner is a reflection of your journey, filled with personal objects, cherished mementos, and unique decor that spark memories and conversations. Your personality shines through every detail, making your space truly one of a kind. Imagine gallery walls overflowing with art, bookshelves packed with your favorite reads, and playful prints that bring energy to every corner. Maximalism is about celebrating the things that make you happy and putting them proudly on display. Comfort is at the heart of maximalism. Think plush rugs underfoot, sofas draped with layered throws, and an abundance of pillows that invite you to sink in and relax. It's a style that welcomes you home and wraps you in warmth. Maximalist spaces are vibrant, colorful, and full of life, a true celebration of everything you love. There's a sense of joy and energy in every room, making your home feel dynamic and ever-evolving. If you crave a home that feels like a curated museum of your favorite things, where every item has a story and every wall is a canvas, maximalism might be calling your name. It's about surrounding yourself with what you love and letting your space reflect the richness of your life. One of the biggest perks of minimalism is the sense of calm it brings. When you step into a minimalist space, you're greeted by an atmosphere that feels open, light, and soothing. The absence of clutter allows your mind to slow down, making it easier to leave behind the stresses of the outside world. Minimalism isn't just about having fewer things, it's about creating an environment that nurtures peace and clarity. With less visual noise, your mind can truly relax. The clean lines and open spaces invite you to breathe deeply and enjoy the present moment. Natural light flows freely, bouncing off uncluttered surfaces and making your home feel even more spacious. This simplicity helps you focus on what really matters, whether it's spending time with loved ones or simply enjoying a quiet cup of tea. Fewer items mean cleaning and organizing are a breeze. You'll spend less time tidying up and more time doing what you love. With everything in its place, your home becomes a stress-free zone, and daily chores feel less overwhelming. Minimalism makes it easy to maintain a sense of order, so you can enjoy a consistently calm environment. Minimalism encourages investing in quality over quantity. Every piece gets to shine. Instead of filling your space with things you don't truly love, you can choose items that are both beautiful and functional. Each piece of furniture or decor becomes a statement, reflecting your personal style and values. This thoughtful approach leads to a home that feels curated and intentional. Neutral backdrops make it easy to refresh your space with small changes. You can swap out a cushion, add a plant, or hang a new piece of art, and instantly give your room a fresh look. The simplicity of a minimalist palette means your home always feels current, without the need for constant redecorating. If you thrive in a serene, organized environment, minimalism can be your ticket to tranquility. It's a lifestyle that supports mental clarity and emotional well-being, helping you feel more grounded and at ease. Whether you're working, relaxing, or spending time with family, a minimalist home provides the perfect backdrop for a balanced life. Ultimately, minimalism is about creating a sanctuary where you can truly unwind. It's a space that welcomes you at the end of a long day, offering comfort, calm, and a sense of belonging. By embracing minimalism, you're not just decluttering your home, you're making room for more peace, joy, and meaningful moments in your everyday life. Of course, minimalism isn't for everyone. Sometimes minimalist spaces can feel cold or impersonal, more like a showroom than a home. You might miss the warmth of personal touches like family photos or quirky finds. Minimalism can feel restrictive if you love collecting or changing up your decor. Without enough texture or layers, rooms can feel stark or unfinished. If you crave warmth and visual storytelling, you might want to add more personality back in. Now, let's talk about what makes maximalism so lovable. It's more than just a design style. It's a celebration of individuality, a way to truly make your home your own. In a maximalist space, every corner tells a story, and every object has a purpose or a memory attached to it. Maximalism is all about self-expression. Every surface becomes a canvas for your personality. Whether it's a shelf filled with quirky trinkets, a wall covered in art, or a coffee table stacked with books and treasures, your home becomes a reflection of your passions, interests, and experiences. Being surrounded by things you love creates a unique sense of coziness. It's like wrapping yourself in a warm blanket of memories and comfort. Each item, from a favorite mug to a cherished photo, adds to the feeling of belonging and warmth. Layered textiles, art, and mementos make your space dynamic and ever-changing. The beauty of maximalism is that it's never static. Your collections can grow, your displays can shift, and your home evolves with you. It's a living, breathing reflection of your journey. There's no right or wrong, just what feels good to you. Maximalism encourages you to break the rules, mix styles, and embrace what makes you happy. It's about creating a space that feels authentic, comfortable, and uniquely yours. Bold colors and playful patterns spark creativity and joy. Don't be afraid to experiment with vibrant hues, unexpected combinations, and statement pieces. These choices can energize your space and inspire you every day. If you love collecting memories and stories, maximalism is your invitation to fill your home with meaning. Every object, every color, and every arrangement becomes a chapter in your personal story, making your home a true reflection of who you are and what you love. But maximalism has its challenges. Too many colors and objects can quickly turn cozy into chaotic. Visual clutter can be overwhelming and make it hard to relax. Cleaning and organizing take more effort with more stuff. Maximalist rooms can feel busy or cramped, especially in small spaces. The key is to curate, not just collect. Make sure every piece adds something special. Want cozy minimalism? Focus on layering textures and adding warmth. Use soft throws, knit pillows and natural fiber rugs for comfort. Swap harsh lights for warm lamps or string lights. Add a few personal touches, art, books, or a favorite plant. Play with contrast. Pair white walls with warm wood or a pop of color. Embrace negative space to let cozy moments stand out. Choose what you love and let it shine. For maximalists, keep things cozy by curating your collections. Rotate favorite pieces or group similar items for intention. Layer textures, velvet, linen, wool, for depth and warmth. Stick to a consistent color palette to keep things cohesive. Balance busy walls with solid furniture and add plants for freshness. Use varied lighting to create inviting nooks. Let your space evolve as your tastes change. Who says you have to choose? Blend minimalist and maximalist elements for a unique space. Start with a simple foundation and layer in bold art or patterned rugs. Let one area go all out with color and texture for a focal point. Mixing styles keeps your home fresh and flexible. Experiment. Add a maximalist piece to a minimalist room or vice versa. Your home should reflect your personality, not just rules. Embrace the mix and have fun creating your space. Now it's time to get personal. What makes you feel at home? Ask yourself how you want your space to feel. Calm, vibrant, or both. Do you need a clutter-free zone or thrive in a space full of inspiration? Experiment, move things around, and notice how each change feels. Your style will evolve, and that's okay. Your home is a reflection of you. Trust your instincts and create a space that feels just right. As we wrap up, remember, there's no perfect way to do cozy. Whether you lean minimalist, maximalist, or somewhere in between, your home should feel like you. Don't follow trends. Embrace what feels right, and make bold or simple choices. Coziness is about how you feel when you walk through the door. Lan. Are you team minimalist, maximalist, or a mix? Drop a comment and let's chat about your cozy style. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more inspiration. Thanks for watching. Remember, your home is your story, so make it a cozy one.